Alright YouTube, let's jump right into it. We're gonna give him a low skin fade, comb over. We're gonna wet the hair down. We're gonna use a 4-guard here. We're gonna create our guideline. Subscribe to the channel. My man is letting his hair grow out, so the only thing we're gonna do is a little thinning shears to take out some bulk. My man here likes to get up and go look, so he prefers the side to be real short. So we're gonna hit him with a 3, maybe a 2 later on, depending on how bushy it is. We're gonna give him a hard part, and the rest of his hair is just gonna comb over and be ready to go in the morning with minimal work. I'm pulling his long hair over so I don't cut it, and I'm getting all the loose hairs. We're gonna start by taking a 3-0 on my detachable, and we're just gonna give us a bald guideline all the way around the bottom of his head. I'm using the 3-0 to save some wear and tear on my trimmers. If you don't have a detachable clipper, just use your T-outline or whatever, same thing. Now I'm gonna take my blackouts and I'm gonna take the little bit of hair left behind and make it a quicker process. Now we're gonna use a shaver, clean up the bottom of the neck. I hope everyone's doing good out here, man. Took last week off, so I'm back this week. This haircut came out fresh. Alright, we're gonna take our Babyliss clippers, open the blade all the way up, and give ourselves a guideline. And take the 4-guard and start fading down from the bulk of his hair. Take the 3-guard right under the 4, open and close the lever as needed. 2-guard and the 1-guard open. Using the corner of the blade to get some detail work going. Prompt number 2, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We got this video in 4K, watch it on the TV, play it back in your phone. Appreciate the support. Now we got the blade closed and we're taking out the bottom line using detail work. Now I got the half guard on. These are the Wahl Magic Clip guards. To be honest, I've never used the guards that came with the Babyliss because I like the Wahl premium guards, and they fit on here pretty good, like an 8 out of 10. Some of them are a little wiggly, like the 3-0 or the half is a little bit wiggly, but they get the job done. Right now we're just doing detail work, guys. We're not trying to take the fade up too high on this side, and we're taking out dark areas and we're dropping it down the back. There's that 1.5 guard, the world famous 1.5 guard for Wahl that brings all the fades together. We're back to the 1, corner of the blade, back to the half. Just using that corner, making it happen right here. Alright, we're gonna do a little clipper over comb. The side's a little bit long, so we're just going under the hair and to the side. You know, if you watch my videos, I do clipper over comb from the bottom and the side. When I go from the bottom, it's for detail work. When I go from the side, it's to cut off more bulk. don't want too much hair to be hanging over the side, but we don't want to take it too high either. So we're getting that balance. Alright, now we're going to use some thinning shears. We're just going to grab the edges of his hair and we're taking out a little bit of weight. It's actually pretty fun to do. When I first started using thinning shears, I don't know, I just enjoy it. Back to the clipper over comb. Now we're going back under again, taking out some dark areas. Always take your time in the back. So I'm using the corner of the blade here because I don't want to take out too much bulk, because I don't want it to be spiky in the back. So right here I'm just really taking out some dark areas and I'm fading down. Alright guys, this side is going to be a little bit higher because he likes it short on this side. He's in the military, he likes to get up, go to work, and not have to do too much to his hair. On this side, we could take the fade up higher, bigger steps, because we have a bigger work area. So don't be afraid to go about 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches or whatnot, however you feel comfortable, especially if your customer wants it real short on one side, which traditionally when it's longer on the other side it would be more of a business cut, and then shorter on this side is more of like a get up and go style. So when you explain that to your customer, or they'll explain it to you, so you gotta see which way they like it. Subscribe to the channel. Third and last prompt, if you haven't subscribed by now, go ahead and hit the bell for your boy. All the good stuff, thumbs up, bells, ringers, flashlights. So for this cut, I end up not using any product at all. His hair is long. I just basically styled it with water because it has flow. It already goes back. We just basically gave him a fade, cut the sides short. We're gonna line him up, following the hairline, and pretty straightforward right here. When the haircut looks good with no product, minimal enhancements, that's when you know the haircut is cut right. comments below. I thought it came out nice. There's another one, man. You guys stay blessed. Have a good day. Hope you learned something. If you didn't learn anything, hope you appreciate the video. And I'll see you for another one. Check it out. No product in his hair. Just water. And the hair lays down in the back too, smooth like. Peace.